Hi, I'm Sophie Anderson from Cairns Coaching. All my workshops and presentations are designed to boost health, productivity, and engagement through evidence-based tools drawn from cognitive behavioral therapy, positive psychology, and self-leadership principles. They're practical, engaging, and always tailored to real-life challenges. This is by far my most popular topic. Everyone's talking about stress, but not many people know what to do and what tools to use in the moment to stop the flow-on effect of having a nervous system on overdrive. So you might see things like procrastination, conflicts, or even physical illness that could be symptoms of stress. This session is about building a mindfulness toolkit that's quick, effective, and easy to use anywhere, anytime. We focus on regulating our nervous system to improve our focus and staying more efficient without the overwhelm, especially in high pressure or high change environments. The results are improved clarity, less reactivity, and a boost in productivity that comes from being more present and more grounded. Each topic works beautifully on its own or as part of a complete personal development series. They are here to reduce stress, build self-awareness and self-leadership, and transform your team from the inside out. Contact me if you're ready to create a happier, healthier team together.